Hey guys, welcome back to the Royal Treatment with DJ Royalty ATL. As always, make sure you like and subscribe and tell a friend to pull up. Because listen, if you don't get something from it, I guarantee you they will. With that being said, guys, today I will be showing you how to do a DIY, do it yourself, on how to make your own hookah. Yes, finally, someone's doing it and I'm the guy for you. I got you. So with that being said, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right.
You're listening to DJ Royalty ATL.
All right, guys. So there's a few things that you need in order to make a hookah. Every hookah comes with a base, a stem. This is what goes connect to the top, right? There's a piece here. It's a cylinder piece. On top of this one, you take it, you twist it in. Make sure it's snug. Once it's snug, then you put it in here, turn it, lock it. And you see the stem goes down. You always want to keep that space of water about this much above the stem. So where the stem goes down, your water level should be about right here. That far off from the stem, okay? Then of course you have your hole, and then your bowl, you put your sisha in the top, all right? If you notice my water level compared to where the stem is gonna be at, the water level is right here. So that stem should submerge about right here. Let's see if I did it right. Perfect. Can y'all see that level? The water level is here. That's how far from when the stem goes in. So the water level should be about right here. All right. Then you take your hose, you put it in there. Now you got to make sure you use protection. Use a rubber. Put the rubber on and twist to the right to lock it in. And that's it. The next step, we're going to use Fantasia sisha. Now, sisha is a form of sticky tobacco, but I'm pretty sure this is the herbal sisha. Mary Jane, what up? CBD, baby. So you want to scoop it out gradually. Right? Some say less is best. Now when you do it, you want to muddle it around and spread it out. Can y'all see that? That's how it should be. You want to make sure you leave that space open. Leave it open. Right. And you want to get aluminum foil about this size. Rip it down the middle. All right, you rip it down the middle. You take it, you cross them, pull it tight, put it down, cover the sides. So you cover, then you press down on the sides, then you choke the head, no pun intended. And make sure it's flat, you can drum on it. It's flat, everything's tight. Now what I do, I use the back of my earring, but you can use either a toothpick or a needle. Never use the back of this. It's too wide. Your hose would be too big, and then your hookah smoke bad. And go around in a circular motion. Circular motion. Boom. So you want to put it on there snug. Now snug, make sure it's not moving, and we're good. You want to take your coat, blow on it gingerly. So as you continue to blow on the coals, making sure you don't put it too close to your mouth. You don't want to burn yourself. And also make sure the coals aren't touching as you place them strategically on the bowl. Then the next thing we're going to grab, now the coals are on, is our wind cover. Now that wind cover, which some people call it top, you can also use aluminum foil as well to round it up as far as the bowl's concerned. Get you an ice hose. Deezer, baby. Deezer. Five minutes later. Okay. And you always want to use protection. You always want to use a tip, but this is mine. I ain't got to. All right. All right, now when you hear the bubbling, you know you're good. It's a good hookah. Peace.